Hi guys, it's me again. So if you're watching my video, you are interested in binary options, and today I'm gonna show you the basic steps how to earn money online. So let's get down to business. And right now I'm gonna do my first bet. It will be $100. 83%. It was a good time to do our bet. Don't forget to look at this graph. That graph serves us as an indicator to do our bet, because there we can see the the amount of the trader's opinion. So if it will be more than 80%, we do our bet. Everything is quite simple, and right now we are waiting to the finish line. So profit 181. I'm gonna continue my work. $100, 95%. I've already done my bet. You see 95 against it was 5%. So my account is verified. You see, right now it is also good time. Okay, I've done my bet. If you have 2 times good to do your bet, you can try. So my account is verified. There is no demo sign here, you see, so my amount is 4,756. If you want to try to earn money on binary options, you can start with the demo account. $181. Okay, that's good. Let's see. I have a good mood for today, so 100, and I'm still waiting. I try to do my bet as close to the expiration line right here. So I've done my bet because I guess that the trend will fall down. And I'm waiting because I don't want the trend to be increasing. So let's see. I'm still waiting because I want to earn much money for today. And profit 181. That's good, but I want more, really. It's like a drug. So 100, and I'm still waiting. My followers, friends often ask me how much time I need to trade per day, and it takes no more than 2 hours. Everything is quite simple. Yes, 91, 95. So this graph serves us as an indicator to do our bet, and right now we are waiting. Don't forget to look right here, the top experts. So huge numbers. I guess that this is cool, guys. And finish 0. Seriously? So if we have these situations, the only thing that we have to cover our fail. So right now I'm gonna put my bet 250. See this graph? There was good time to do our bet, but we late. So $250. I put the next bet. 90%, 91%, 95%. Okay. So I've done my bet. The aim of this strategy, which calls martingale system, you have to know about that, is okay. I've already done the second bet because that was a good time. So sorry for interrupting. If you have profit 0, the only thing that you have to put the next bet 2.5 times bigger than the previous one. It will cover in one win your fail. So, okay, I'm waiting and come on, fall down please. No. You have to be ready that you don't win always. Oh, please. You always have to stay cold-blooded, but I can't because I'm nervous. It's like a game. So profit $452. Okay. So never mind how I earn my money, but it works. This strategy always works. I go back to my initial position. In my case, is $100, and I do my bet. You don't need to hurry up. Always watch the history of the trend. Today I won't use the Japanese candles because this is tutorial video. And I'm waiting. If you need some help, if you don't understand something, you can click right here. There is some information about the binary options. 95%. I've done my bet, and right now I'm waiting. So finish. Profit $183. Okay, so let's continue our work. Get down to business. $100 and 64% against 45. Almost. I've done my bet, so let's see what the result will be for today. Let's see. Yes. So finish line and 181, but I want more money, so okay, $100. So it works. Basic steps. 60. Yes, I've done my bet. Don't forget to look on this graph. Okay, I do 2 bets because this is a good time to earn money. Try to make stakes closer to the expiration line, and remember that the main task of the binary options, of the trading on binary options, is to predict where the currency pair rate will be in 1 minute. So you always have to be ready to do your bet. $366. I've already done my 2 bets and I have good profit, so that is good and easy. So you see that this is not dusty work. 72% against 60. 88. Okay. 95. Okay. So, and right now we still waiting right here, and always try to make a bet at the last moment, because it will help you to see the trends, to think just a little bit. So profit $370. This is good for me. I love this. So this is my day. Oh my gosh. 72% against 28, 33 against 67. I'm still waiting. I don't need to hurry up. 83. Okay. Oh, 85. I've done my bet. So let's see what the result will be. Ta-da-da-dam! So you see right now I have $5,000 and 5,000 without 21, because for me this is real money. Profit 0. Remember. Okay, I got fair right now. So I have to change my situation, and in one win I need to cover my profit 0. So $100 right now. I put in the second bet $250, and 74%, 36 again, 40. Let's see, almost 80%. Remember that the amount must be more than 80%. You see, 95. These graphs shows us the amount of the trader's opinion, where the trend will be in 1 minute. Green color is call bet, red color is put bet when the trend falls down. Everything is easy. The only thing that you have to do is to practice it, to know some information. So we are waiting. You see, oh, I'm sorry, I don't have a mouse. You see right here the movement of the trend. If you want to go back, you can click right here, and right now we will see 470. So you see, in one win we cover our loss of money in the previous time. So 470. So this is a good result, and for today I guess I've earned much money than in my previous videos. So if you like my videos, please put like, subscribe on my channel. If you want to ask something, you can always comment, and under this video there will be useful links for you. Thank you for your attention. See you on the next time.